Welcome back, and if you're watching this, you may be wondering about car vacuums. I guess that's what they call these, but this one comes with a docking station, so I thought it'd be great in my office. HERCARY is the brand, sent it to me in exchange for my honest opinion, and as always, here it is. This thing's definitely got some power to it. 2 speeds, flip up brush extension. Love the design of it for being able to get into hard to reach places. Check it out. This vacuum is pretty well designed. It picks up big pieces, lots of dust, and it seems to have just enough attachments for everything you need. I've been needing to clean up my PC for a while, so I did my whole office space. It gets into those hard to reach places. I am gonna vacuum my car with you in just a minute, but my keyboard, desk, computer, all of it needed this. Obviously, it takes a little more time to clean than with a traditional vacuum, but it weighs 1.1 pounds. You might think that's a bad thing when it comes to quality, but it also is really nice. It's the little thing when you buy stuff, but no plastic. I love that. Comes with a super basic instruction manual. It's got everything you need, some diagrams, info, specs, blah, blah, blah. And again, only 1.1 pound, yet it feels solid. You could definitely throw this around your car, leave it in your car, whatever. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels heavy and light at the same time. The dust cup design is great because it's large, but it's still skinny. Some of these kind of like get in your way. Comes with a couple of different washable mesh filters. Just rinse them off. 2 power modes, up to 12 kPa, which is what one of my full-size vacuums is. I mean, it sounds like a full-size vacuum anyway. Not overly loud though. Comes with the extension nozzle, which we're going to check out in the car in just a sec. And I really like being able to see exactly how much power you have left. All right, onto the car. Don't hold this against me. I have 3 toddlers, okay? The opening seems just big enough to pick up all their cracker remnants. So definitely impressive. You're definitely not gonna be able to pick up any weird crackers and cheese surprises. But if you are someone like me with an exceptionally dirty car, keep in mind that you will find the dust cup filling up rather quickly. Nonetheless, still impressive as to how much it holds. There's a couple ways to open up the canister. You have the kind of quick button, and it works okay, except sometimes the nasty food gets stuck behind it. So I prefer to just open the whole thing up. And I mean, when I'm telling you there was just a ton of food, and this is 1 car seat out of 3. Later to find out that some of it was moist food. Thank you very much. But if you're a regular person with a regular car and you routinely clean your car and you just want this for maintenance, yeah, it does a much better job and it picks up a lot. Definitely nice not to have to lug the shop vac all around. So lastly, I'll show you method number 2 for emptying this, and it goes way easier unless you have wet crumbs stuck to the filters. All right, so let's be realistic. I wouldn't necessarily use this to clean my entire car if it was as bad as mine looks right now. But for touch-ups, for just having something that's accessible right in front of you all the time, that's basically what this is for, and it's really good for exactly that. Love that it's got the docking station, so I can just leave it up kind of right there. Would be nice if the power cord plugged into the docking station, but it does not, so you have to plug it in up here. Not too bad though. And then the flip-up brush is nice to have in theory. Occasionally, it'll kind of unfold or fold itself back up, but for the most part, it works pretty dang well. Nice to have that convenient there instead of having to like chase down all your other parts. So realistically, you only have 1 other attachment, which when I went down to do the car, I forgot this, but yeah, it's got everything you need. Pretty simple overall, definitely well made. I'm a little bummed that I definitely just vacuumed up some sort of wet or moist kids' crumbs. So I'm gonna have to go rinse off these filters, but nice that you can do that and they're not just like paper ones, they are stainless. So a lot of good things to like about this. Not just a car vacuum. Keep this on your desk or kitchen. Pretty low profile, got the base. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Check it out. By HERCARY.